I've seen a few YouTube videos here lately. A couple YouTube channels. One's Hungry Hussy, the other one's Crazy Pop. And they have one of these on their BlackStone. I'm not really sure where they got theirs, but let me show you how I made mine. So that's it. I'm gonna try it out maybe later on tonight. So 18 gauge sheet metal, I'm pretty sure. So BlackStone should be selling these. People would buy them, I believe. So this turned out pretty good. I really believe that you could make this using a pair of compound 10 snips, especially if you have a utility trailer with the angle iron on the top rail like mine. Let's not use that. Okay, here it is. Improvised like I did. I used a top rail on my utility trailer, or C-clamps. I have a port. Maybe one day you'll be able to buy these even. I don't know. Let's not use that even. It'll save a piece of shrimp or slither or something through that. Never mind. It's so small that I'm more careful when I'm moving stuff around. I got a gnat bothering me right now. Alright, so here's what it turned out looking like. Hopefully you can see it on this little camera, but it fits really well. It's probably about a 1/16 of an inch gap from the bottom of this to the top of the griddle. I will heat it up and try and get it seasoned a little bit so it won't rust. But definitely going to be an improvement on that BlackStone. Nice that it'll just slide out of the way if you did have something you wanted to push into the grease drain. But try this again. That gnat's bothering me again. Need something else? Huh? Need something? Where are you gonna move it now? No. What? You got it. More sun right there on the other side of the fence. You want me to move you over there? Smile.